Well, who are those two guys? Well, that's Marcus Crawford. And that's the old guy me. Anyway, welcome back to my channel. This is the Snake River as composed by Ansel Adams. And this is the Snake River today. Marcus and I went out there, 2 or 3 weeks ago and took our drones and had a wonderful day in the Snake River Canyon. It was just incredible. And remember, the Snake River is one of the longest rivers in our country. It flows about 1,100 miles. And guess where it starts? In Yellowstone National Park. And I've actually been to the headwaters of the Snake River. It flows, it divides into two parts, the South Fork of the Snake and the Henry's Fork. I've actually fished both of them, beautiful waters. And they join together just south of Rexburg, Idaho, and form the main snake, which we see here in our Boise Valley. Beautiful, beautiful river. And obviously it's joined by a number of tributaries that are fed into the Snake River. Actually, it provides a drainage system for 6 Northwest states, including Nevada, amazingly. So there's the snake and the pristine walls that over millions of years have eroded these walls and formed the snake as we know it today. Snake River provides hydroelectric power, outdoor activities, flood control with dams, and is a vital part of the river systems of our country. And actually, after 1,100 miles of flowing, it joins the Columbia River, which is the longest river and one of the largest rivers in the river system of our country, at Tri-Cities at a place called Sacagawea Park. And we used to picnic in Sacagawea Park when we were kids. These erosions and foothills are just fascinating. Probably deer and who knows what else tucked down in these ravines, waiting for dusk to fall and migrate down to the river to. There you can see an animal or a game trail right there on the right of that shot. Down to the river for water. Isn't that pretty? You know, the desert grows on you. I just posted a video of the Owyhee Mountains with some of my friends on the side-by-side trip. And wow, I'm just in awe. The vistas and the ability to. That's why they call Montana and this part of Idaho Big Sky, because you can see forever. There's a snake flowing down to a place called Celebration Park. I think that's the name of it. And it's where the pioneers used to camp along the way, and lots of petroglyphs and other things etched in the rocks and stone there where they formed their camp. Just beautiful. Didn't see any game out there this time when Marcus and I were out. But I'm sure there's tons of game out in this part of the country. So I took the drone down. It's the Mavic 3. And tucked right down close to the water. Reflection of the clouds in the still water of the Snake River. Must have been tons of Indians and stories told by Indians about their hunting and fishing along the banks of the Snake, starting clear up in Yellowstone and all along the tributaries that feed it. The Bruno River, the Boise River, the Portneuf River, all kinds of pretty good sized bodies of water that feed into the Snake. And actually, on downstream here, you're going to see this lake. This lake is a natural lake. And I flew over the lake. And on down there is Celebration Park. And there's the lake that we found, tucked in the basalt rocks out there in the desert. Well, I found this rock formation and I couldn't resist. I had to fly around it. Beautiful snake in the background. Lots of trails, walking trails, side-by-side trails, places where people bring their vehicles down and go fishing. Actually, fishing for sturgeon in this body of water is quite a sport. I saw a guy in a kayak, a video of it, and he hooked a sturgeon, and that fish drug him all over the river. It was quite entertaining. That drone is so much fun to fly. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this little visit that Marcus and I took to the Snake River, and hope you continue to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channels. And I'll say, this is old Dr. B saying thanks for watching, and I'll see you down the road.